Got the other side harness delivered today, installed. I did find out that these are pronounced Schroth. They're a German racing company, so make sure you say it with a German accent. No, just kidding. But anyways, a lot of people were concerned about the way I have these bolted in, concerned for my safety and whatnot. I appreciate it. And I assure you that from the Schroth instructions, this is a legitimate way to hook these up. Specifically, these ASM cross harnesses. These are Schroth ASM cross harnesses. They also have rallye 3 and 4. But you can use the rear seat belt mounting location as a safe mounting spot. I believe as long as it doesn't go over 45 degrees of slant. Luckily mine are between 40 and 45. The other place you could mount is up here on that package tray. You'd have to reinforce it obviously with some steel bar stock or something, because it's not anything but a couple of spot welds holding it in. It's not very thick sheet metal, so I prefer this way. Also, if you're curious about the cross that I put in these, the only thing I'm not following with the Schroth instructions is you're not supposed to use seats that don't have a headrest or holes cut for the harness, because the harness can slip off. That is why I put a cross in it. That should help prevent that, and that is actually per Schroth's instructions as well. If you Google around, you can find that right up. But anyways, the other instruction for putting a cross in this like this is, I think if the harness bar is more than 240 millimeters back, you're supposed to put a cross in it as well, or mount them close together and use a harness strap or whatever they call it, binds them together. You have to feed the straps through it. Anyways, the only thing I'm waiting on is another set of pads and another set of grips. These little plastic grab. So whenever those come in on that side, I'll be done with the harness. I got part of the wiring done for the fan, and I'll finish that up tomorrow when the fan shows up and the rest of my wiring and stuff shows up. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.